You absolutely cannot miss this. A new era of security has arrived, and nighttime surveillance will never be the same. Imagine crystal clear, full-color images even in total darkness. Not only that, but you can save costs, enhance efficiency, and deter suspicious activities automatically. Let's uncover the secrets of ACTi's revolutionary dual light cameras together. ACTi's dual light cameras feature always-on white light LED, delivering detailed, full-color images even at night. Picture this: factory night shift zones, commercial building lobbies, and residential entryways all captured with vivid clarity. It not only enhances safety but also provides the fresh perspective for security management. Whether monitoring personnel and vehicles or safeguarding warehouse assets, ACTi's full-color night vision offers the best solutions for every scenario. Why spend extra on installing white light fixtures? ACTi's dual light cameras come with built-in white light LEDs, replacing traditional external lighting and reducing hardware costs and installation hassle. Perfect for open areas, cargo storage zones, or residential walkways, these cameras provide excellent illumination and surveillance performance while cutting down operational expenses. Now, you can enjoy superior security systems without breaking the bank. AI technology is the core highlight of ACTi's dual light cameras. It accurately detects people, vehicles, and sounds, proactively notifying security personnel of incidents. For example, when unauthorized personnel enter a production line or suspicious vehicles linger at community entrances, the AI reacts quickly, raising event handling efficiency to new heights. No more staring at screens all day. ACTi's intelligent detection lets you rest easy. Darkness is no longer a security loophole. When set to infrared red light mode at night, ACTi's dual light cameras automatically activate white light LEDs to deter intruders upon detecting people, vehicles, or sound anomalies. This is not just technological progress, but a revolution in safety. Ideal for factory perimeters, unmanned commercial zones, and residential courtyards, ACTi's proactive deterrence effectively prevents potential threats, safeguarding your property and security. Why choose ACTi? Because it delivers three undeniable advantages. First, ACTi's dual light cameras achieve full-color night vision, outperforming competitors. Second, compared to other renowned brands, it's more cost-effective and fully NDAA compliant, meeting regulatory requirements while offering exceptional performance. Finally, with built-in AI detection and proactive deterrence, it's not just a camera but a reliable guardian. Choose ACTi and elevate your security to a whole new level. Act now. Click the links below to learn more about the amazing features of ACTi's dual light cameras, Z322 and Z722. Place your order or contact us today to upgrade your factory, commercial building, or residential security with the most comprehensive system. ACTi, your trusted security partner.